Having learned what is an interjection, now we will do an exercise. I'll give you sentences with two interjections at the side. You can choose from. All right? So you're going to choose and fill in to complete the sentence. Put in the correct expression, okay? Fill in with. Fill in with correct interjections. So what I'm going to do is, I'll write out the sentences for you. Okay? First one. I am. I am elder. I'm elder to you. I'm elder to you. And the words you have are hush. And you also have another word, lesson. Okay. Next, we have the baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Bravo. Or hush. Either word. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. Either you write or ah. Next. The tortoise. The tortoise won the race. Won the race. And here you may use haw or what. Next I have here, I have a bad pain. I have a bad, you can say toothache. And for that you will say ha or ah. Painful, isn't it? Next. We are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic. And there you have alas or hooray. Then our principal is dead. Principal is dead. There you have Allah's hush. Then I have here, don't make noise. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. And you have here, behold. Or hush. We have one more. You must pay attention. You must. You must pay attention. Must pay attention. And for that you have oh. And you also have lesson. Having learned different kinds of interjections, here we are going to insert correct one. You are given two. You can read aloud and decide which one you will choose. The first we have, I am elder to you. Hush or listen. So the older person will not be assertive and say, listen, I am elder to you. So you use the word listen. I am older, so listen. I am elder to you. So you use the word listen. The next we have here is, the baby is sleeping. You won't say bravo. The baby is sleeping. Hush. Mama won't let you make noise. Hush. The baby is sleeping. Hush. Don't make noise. What a beautiful sight. Oh, you will say, oh, what a beautiful sight. You've gone to a place you've never been and it looks so lovely. You say, oh, what a beautiful sight. Next, the tortoise won the race. Oh, the tortoise won the race. Or, you are so shocked. It's such a slow animal. You say, what? The tortoise won the race? What? So you use the word, the interjection, what? What? The tortoise won the race? Yes. The next, I have a bad toothache. What will you say? Painful. Huh? You're suffering with pain. So you will say, what a painful toothache. Then, we are going for a picnic. You will say, alas, or hooray. Hooray, joyful. Hooray. You're going for a picnic. You're so happy. Then, our principal is dead. You can either say, alas, or you can say, hush. Here you will say, alas, he might have been not well, alas. He's been old and ailing, so alas, our principal is dead. Don't make a noise. Hush. Don't make a noise. When you make too much noise in the class, the teacher will say, hush, hush. Don't make a noise. And finally we have here, you must pay attention. The teacher says, listen. You must pay attention. Listen. Listen. You must pay attention. So what we have done here is learning to choose the correct interjections given to you. First one, listen, I am elder to you. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Oh, what a beautiful sight. What? The tortoise won the race? Ah, I have a bad toothache. Hooray! We are going for a picnic. Alas, our principal is dead. Hush! Don't make noise. Listen, you must pay attention. So we learn to choose the correct interjections for every sentence.